Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens, and welcome to this episode of Science TV with Mr. C. Today, on the calendar, we have the following. We have the weather outside, which, if you looked outside or you've been outside for some crazy reason, it's not great. Not great. 100% chance of rain today, and it's been raining for a few hours now. It looks like it's awfully foggy out there right now. But next week, we'll start to feel more like spring, so that'll be a welcome change. Uh, for Science Today, I would like for you to click on this survey here, fill it out, and be as honest as you can. That feedback is instrumental to what we're going to be hopefully going forward with in this class, and I'll try to take that data and make some sense of it, and hopefully help you guys out a little bit more. Also, since it is Friday, we do have a Friday favorites here. Feel free to post your favorite thing there, comment on other people's favorites, share some information so we could have a little stronger community. That would be great. One thing, please check your grades in PowerSchool. I'm going to update them as soon as I'm done with this video. Make sure that you've got everything turned in that you need to have turned in. Some people still haven't shared some things, so if you've done the work, please share it with me. Let me know you've shared it so I can get that 0 out of the grade book and get the credit you deserve. All right? Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them on the chatter doc. I'll have a link to on the calendar here for you. You can also reach out to me, email, anything you like there. I hope you guys have a great Friday afternoon. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.